How to combine exponents. Xa, b equals greater than x, a b? How to simplify exponents in equations in sympy. And if it is not possible with sympy, which module should I import in Python? Edit even if I define b as real, and also all other symbols. B equals symbols b, real equals true, not getting simplified exponents. It simplifies only if exponents are constants.
Xmn equals xmn is true only if m, n are real. As far as I know, sympy supports complex numbers, so I believe this simplification should not be done unless you can prove b is real. Edit, it is also false if x is not positive. Edit by Nibbler, here is the original example with Kinney's restrictions applied.
This may be related to this bug.
If you want those errors, please consider subscribing.